southern end, and looks like they've got some charger stuff going up on the Oculus. Wow, it's 24-24. Kansas City Chiefs and the LA Chargers. And you can see a bolt. And you keep seeing some emojis floating by. And it looks like some more work going on. Is that over by one of the escalators or stairways? Looks pretty good from here. I'm pretty far away. Over a quarter mile. Unfortunately, there's a lot of obstruction there, otherwise I might be able to see a little bit better Oculus. And then you can see the performance venue still being worked on. The one exterior. And then what we think will be kind of a window panel there. We have a little bit of a view, I guess, of the Stadium Lake, which can't see. And we've got some other kind of signage up here from Cedar Sinai. They're just doing it here on the side of the precast, which I'm not really sure how I feel about. Roof signage is complete, yet there still is roof work to be done. And let's see if we can determine what's going on exactly. Okay, you see those mesh things, one of the last updates. I remember them bringing those up. I'm guessing there's some sort of walkways that, yeah, he's putting one on right now, that they, you have those little gaps in between the ETFE, and I think you put those down as some sort of protection or whatever. They got some grip on them too. And you see him with the safety harness. It looks like they're doing some of that install today. I think you can see some more of it over there. Also, we've got some more SoFi signage. See, they got the first part of it done, and then they just need that second part covering. Okay, we're looking west. at the new SoFi Stadium sign. You can see on the Oculus, kind of looping that time-lapse of my YouTube videos. No, I'm just kidding. It's just time-lapses of like all their different construction webcams and stuff. And probably just doing that as well to burn in the panels, give them the amount of hours they need for it is broken in and looking good, I think. See, there still is work to be done. And it looks as if the focus on roof work is over here, over by the north signage. And they are currently over there by the retractables, 46 to be exact. I know people are wondering, why do you need retractable panels when you've got parts of the stadium that are open air? I think it has to do mainly with alleviating trapped warm air. See, I've got a nice breeze going on right now. This stadium is situated pretty close to the ocean. You know, LAX is about 5 miles or so. So you've got side winds that you can take in, cool air. But you gotta get that hot air somehow out. And I think that's where panels would come into play. Just my own theory. And performance venue wall on this side is looking pretty good. Only thing I've noticed that they need to continue on is, you see a couple of gaps here, and then you see that really wide gap from the edge of the panels there to the wall. So we'll see when that issue is addressed. Can't tell if that's a suite there. I think I'm seeing a flat panel TV. It could just be a restaurant or something. I don't know, or some kind of a concession stand. But I do see a flat panel TV there. So this is, I guess, one of the last signs that will be placed on the stadium. Looks like the logo is still missing a couple more circles. But I'm guessing the next couple of days they're gonna patch this baby up, and it'll look like the other one on the north end. And over here on Prairie, kind of across from the Forum, still some landscape going on, and then still got a bunch of guys up on the roof. We'll check that out. And the sign is finished. Probably shown that before. Like some adjustments or something that'll be going up with some of the parking lights.